Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Mastercard gift card not working problem. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. If your Mastercard gift card isn't working, here are some steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Activate the card. Ensure that your card is activated. You can usually do this by following the instruction provided with the card or by visiting the issuer's website. Step 2. Check the balance. Verify that your card has sufficient funds. You can check the balance online by calling the customer service number on the back of the card. Step 3. Verify the transaction amount. Make sure the transaction amount does not exceed the available balance on your card. Some merchants may not allow split payments. Step 4. Use at accepted merchants. Confirm that the merchant accepts Mastercard gift cards. Some merchants may have restrictions on gift card uses. Step 5. Check for restrictions. Some gift cards may have restrictions on where they can be used, such as online only or in store only uses. And last, step 6. Contact customer service. If none of the above steps work, contact the customer service number on the back of the card for further assistance. So that's it guys, hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.